Supreme Court Judge Justice Kotiswar Singh has urged the people of Manipur to introspect and work towards rebuilding a stronger and more united society, while asserting that lasting peace and progress cannot be achieved through blame game alone. Addressing the inaugural edition of the High Court of Manipur Distinguished Lecture Series, Justice Kotiswar Singh said the state was passing through a difficult phase and called on people in both the hills and the valley to reflect on what had gone wrong. He said, "Nobody outside Manipur has time for us. 99% of people outside the state are not aware of what is happening in Manipur except that people are killing each other." Observing that Manipur, with its rich history and legacy of coexistence, had become practically divided into separate entities, the Supreme Court judge stressed that society must find the strength to heal itself. He said, "We have to correct ourselves. We have to clean our own house. The time has come for introspection." Justice Kotiswar also added that people should not continuously blame the center or the state government for every problem confronting the state. While expressing concern over corruption, Justice Kotiswar said it had affected the very fabric of society and weakened institutions. He further emphasized the need for stronger legal and educational institutions, expressing hope that Manipur would soon have a national law university. During the interactive lecture session, Justice Kotiswar Singh addressed contemporary issues in the administration of justice, speaking of bail jurisprudence, alternative dispute resolution, artificial intelligence in the judiciary, and professional ethics in the digital age.
Visiting many parts of the country, people ask me what is happening in Manipur. Difficult to explain. People don't know. 99% of the people outside India or Manipur do not know what is happening in Manipur except seeing that people are killing each other. And we can't live in a state of